Miss Moira, I'm Detective Cypher. Look, I know you've been through a lot tonight. Help me find the person that killed your husband.
Dad?
The killer is still at large.
I miss Dad.
We're not meant to suffer alone, so keep going.
Still trying to get to the bottom of what happened. You and your sons deserve a better life. Skeleton is dead.
You never found his body.
There is a killer on the loose, folks.
You think it's him, don't you?
Let's move.
Do you know what it feels like to be stalked? To be the prey?
No, I don't.
I hope you never do.
Open the door! Get down on the ground!
Please don't do this. I want my sons!